going to apply some of those skills that were learned recently to provide some theory and perspective on the sections we just discussed, describing a mapping system, A, B, A, B, change up maybe as a C, and then back to the chorus B. What I'm going to describe in Labyrinth of Betrayal is significantly more complex, and of course all of this is just happening in one section, where each other section that follows would have its own theory. This choppy chord section we can label as section X. The first section uses chords that utilize bolts C and B. If you were to count this out as a time signature, this very brief section would be 6/8. Let's refer to this as section X1. By the end of this video, you will see that there are 10 different subsections for section X. The next section will have two variants. We label it section Y. Section Y1 is some minor third hammer-ons in between G sharp and F, as well as A and F sharp. We could treat it as 4/4, or we could treat it as 8/8. There are a total of 8 notes, and lead us into the next section. The time signature is 21/8, and it is played 4 times. Decoding the melodies here, this section is in root A flat. The right guitar handles more of the lower tones. Because of the emphasis on C sharp, this part feels Lydian, kind of uplifting, sort of adventurous, like a superhero movie. The right guitar in isolation actually gives this part different character compared to when the lead guitar is playing with it, which can give this sort of a Phrygian blend. It adds a little bit of darkness to the character. Similarly, there's a lot of G, so it can feel Locrian, which is also a darker mode. And then finally there are a few A sharps, which gives it a Dorian blend, just a touch of sadness. The blend of these modes gives this section a very unique feeling, and it was perfect for setting the mood when Syra was being chased through the woods. And now the nightmare begins. I won't bore you explaining how each of these sections is uniquely different, but I will label them as the song is playing if you care to do the homework and potentially get lost in this labyrinth. Thanks for watching.